Hey again. In this video we want to make our application run music from the phone. That's meaning our phone have to be number of musics so we could run them. So first of all, make sure your phone have musics. If it doesn't, download them. So now wait, I'm in my application. I want access to other application, which is a music application, and read the music from there. So I need to get a permission for access to external storage. Say use permission. I want to access to read external storage. Why? Because I need to read something from outside my packet, like read from something external. So because this one are considered as dangerous permission, so I need to check a permission. We did this thing a lot. I don't think it's necessary for us to repeat that process again and again for how to do check permission and how to do else and all this stuff. So for that reason, I just have these two functions ready and download them. If not, if you don't have them, make sure you see them before when we discussed about external storage. So this is my code and I will go through it step by step. So first of all, I have function named check user permission. This check permission is just checking if the bold of the device bold is version greater than 23. I do app compact, check the self permission. If it is, the permission is not granted, like the permission for access external storage. If it's not granted, I do pop up and ask him to load the. I ask him to ask for permission. Then here, if it's already granted, please load the music. Load the music is not implemented, so let me just define function here, name it load the music, and this one will be responsible for load the music for us. So now when he see the on result, when he see this one, if he grant us load song will be loaded from the device. If not, he will show this message. So the idea here, we discussed it a lot before, how to check permission, how to ask this thing. So first of all, make sure check permission when the phone is started. So from here, we are instead loading from online. I will check permission. So for the check permission, he will go here and he will do check user permission if he grant access to external storage. If not, ask him for pop-up. If when he agree, please load the song. So now this one should be load song, not load song. So make sure change it to load song. So load song, I just want to load song from the device. How to do that? So the process is really easy and straightforward. So the device add all the songs in something named content provider. I just could read that song and that is. So how to read the songs from content provider? So first of all, you define val all songs URI. You just get this URI for the songs. So I say, hey, media player, then you say dot or media store dot audio, then say dot media. This is the URL for the content provider for external storage. So content provider storage, and you say val selection. You know, when you want to set in the database anything, you say selection and a projection. So now you define what you want to select. I want to select, okay, from again media store, I want to select audio, and I will show you in a second audio, and this audio dot media dot is music. Then I just say this one. So because I need to get anything for music. So this one what we'll do, I'm asking to bring us anything as a music from the device. So this is my selection statement. So select any music in the device. So that means anything is music not equal 0, bring it. Okay. So now I have selection. I have the URL just applied on the content provider and that is. So to apply for the content provider, we need to use cursor. So I say, hey, just content resolver dot query. I want to run a query First of all, we say what about that, what the content provider, I give the URI. Then he asks about the selection, projection, sorry, I don't care, I need all the information about the projection. What the selection statement, this one, and if there is anything else, no. So this is just a query, you run it, you understand how we send this thing. Just I say, hey, my selection, I need to get all the music from this data store. He will go and bring us to all the stored music, and he will add them in cursor. So this one should be cursor, okay. So because I have it a cursor, yeah, let me check. I say, hey, if the cursor is not null, please go to the cursor. So say, hey, if the cursor dot move to first, so I just move it to the first location, then I just do this thing. What I do, I say do and my process, then I move to the next location. I say while cursor, it's just looping through them, dot move next. So I say, hey, first of all, move it to the first location, then if there is a data, just move it to the first location, then start next by next, and continue get them. Maybe you don't like this way of the move, if move to first, you want to do it in this way, just move it to the first location, then you read the first location, go next. But this is not good, because maybe you don't have any data, you will get a problem. So make sure there is a data in the first. If there is, that means there is the data here is not null, so you will go here and you will start reading them. So now what I want to do, I don't need auto information. I need to get the song URL. I need to get also the song author, and also I need to get the third one, which is song name. Okay, this is the information I need then. So for the song URL, how to get it? Yeah, you said, okay, wait, song URL could be getted using full path. So full path will be cursor dot get string, you're just getting string, and this string getted from the cursor dot get column index. I know this is something like complex for you, but this is how to work with API. Like this, they designed it in this way. This is not your option. So I say media store dot audio dot media store dot audio dot media dot data. So you give you the URL. So you do same thing for both of the next two, for this one and this one. So what we do for this one and this one need to get the author name. So instead data, I need to get the author name. So I said, hey, I need artist here, artist, and here you get the song name. You said, hey, display name. So there is many information you could get it from the phone, like album and many information. You could get all this information here. Now in same way that we did here to load the songs, I would do it here in my device. So I say, hey, here after you get it, okay, the song URL added here, the name of the author added here, and the song name added here. And he will continue looping until he get all the element, and that is. Make sure when you're done with your cursor, you just close it. So if you're done, after if statement, you say, hey, cursor dot close. Here we go. Now everything is sounding great. I think I'm just missing two things. First of all, you say move first. This one should be moved to next. So you go to the next record. Also, if you see here from the beginning, I did check permission, then I set adapter with nothing. The adapter have to be set after I load the images. So after I load them, I have to set the adapter. So now everything is sound good. Just okay, run it, and let me see it on real device. What I did, I just run the application on real device because I have the songs in my real device. So see, here is it. So I say, hey, this application want to access to media. I say, okay, I want to allow. He show me all the medias that I have it in my phone as a list. So I could select any one of them and I click play, and he will start to play that song for me. So that is amazing. So here we done, and thank you for watching.